Speed limit 30 ahead, but this guy's going 30 right here. Guess it doesn't matter. All right, this is the town of Wolfville. Worthington National something. Trying to get some of that condensation out of my field of view. All right. It says make a left, but I'm not making a left. I'm going straight according to the map. Pleasant Walk Road. And there's Heidi's Country Store. I don't see you got Harp Hill Road. All right. So this is 17 Wolfville Road. I'm going to stay on it for 6.5 miles. See if it closes. No, can't. Why can't I close that? It's the whole fucking thing. Wildcat Road. Yeah, I remember seeing Wildcat Road on the map. That's not good. Indeed it is. Spruce Road. LDS. I'm on 5.5 miles. This is still 17 Wolfville Road. Road, man. Right, Meeting House Road goes that way. 4 more miles on this one for me. And there's the river on the left. Little peak that is. 2.5 miles. And a passing zone. And the music. Man, this is awesome. Wolfville Road.